So good evening friends. Today I will tell you how we can operate our Omron BP blood pressure machine by our adapter. And as we know that in online website there are too many adapters and all are saying that it is good, and the original one Omron adapter is very costly, and most of them are very costly. So I have to tell you that we can make a mobile adapter as a Omron adapter. Okay, mobile charger as an Omron adapter. So first what we have to do, first we have to take what is the needed voltage for this Omron machine. Here is the box of this machine. It says that for a battery 2 into 1.5 volt. Okay, so 1.5 volts into 4 is equal to 6 volt. Okay, so 6 volt DC power source it is needed, and according to AC adapter, it's this is the specification of AC adapter, and this is not the specification of AC output of this adapter. Okay, DC output of this adapter. So DC output of this adapter is 6 volt DC and 500 milliampere current. Okay, so what we do, we just take our old adapter, as this is my LG Reliance mobile adapter. This shows that you can see here what is happening. It is a 5 volt 1 ampere output. So I think this is not compatible for this machine. So I have to another old charger, mobile charger, which is Micromax. Okay, so here is the Micromax output. You can see here DC 5 volt and 500 milliampere current. Okay, so this is the voltage and this is the current. So this is the good specification according to this machine. Okay, I have seen this Omron original charger specification. What was the specification? Similar to this specification, there were 5 volt DC output and 500 milliampere current, and most of the charger on the online website there are voltage is similar 5 volt, but you can see there are 1 ampere current, which is just double to this. Okay, according to this machine. So we have to need 500 milliampere and 6 volt DC. Okay, so how we can see that this charger is appropriate for our machine, it produce accurately 6 volt or not. So we have to check it's this mobile charger voltage. So we have to unplug here, or we can cut wire anywhere. We can cut from here and check our multimeter, put its voltage to 20 volt, because our voltage limit is exceed to 2 volt, and we have to check 6 volt. So this charger maximum gives 4 volt to 8 volt, and sometimes it gives 10 volts, any charger. So we can check this charger by this probes of this multimeter. If this charger gives 5 volt DC, then I can check you. I will put out, I mean, connecting this charger to my input, and I can calculate its output. So you can see here that I am connecting it to my output. Here is, you can see friends, 5 volt. Here is showing sometimes by losing 5.38. Okay, so this charger is good for this Omron machine. I open this machine and I will tell you how it will open. So as we know that this is, you can see this knob is very unique, and this is only available in charger. So we cannot put any knob in this here, and so I have to open this. So how we can open? First we open back side of this machine. So first we have to turn this machine to upside and throw all cells of this machine and put out, and then we can take 2 screws of this machine from back side. Okay, by this screwdriver. Okay, 4 square. Okay, you can see. So both screw are looks like it's this screw, and after opening this screw, we have to remove this cover from upside. We have to put here screw this one and put here and do this like this. So this will open up from here, and then we have to take any plastic strip like this, and we have to put it like it. So this clip will open like this. Okay, so this will open, then this will open, and suddenly consequently we can open like this side. Okay, so when we open this, then we got like this. Okay, machine. And we just put out this here for checking how we can connect the wire. So I can give you the information regarding this machine, that these are 3 wires, pink, yellow and black. Okay, pink, yellow and black. So these are we can see here, these are this one and this one, both are negative terminal, and this is positive terminal. You might not be confused, because we can check this how I can check this, that is positive and both are negative, because I already checked by my multimeter before, after attaching my batteries to it, and put my multimeter to 20 and see here. If I put If I put my positive probe and negative probe here, then it gives positive reading here. If I put my negative probe to the positive and do it reversely, then it gives negative reading. So we can see that here is a negative terminal and here is negative terminal and it is positive terminal. That you can see again. I have already connected to this charger and not the battery, because I know that this is the polarity. But you don't do it like this. But you have to connect the cell and check by multimeter. They put it reverse in order. This is positive, but I put it on negative here. So I put negative and put a negative to positive. So here is the sign which is negative. So this shows that this is negative. This is irreversible process and this is also reversible process. So we can say that we have to interchange our pole, and this is we have to connect the positive terminal here and negative terminal here. So it shows that current, which is current of my charger current, because I have connected this. But if you are checking on cell, this shows only 2 millivolt current. Okay, very few current here because my cell was dead. So here is positive. So we can see the result is this probe in this machine. This probe is positive and this both are negative, because this positive connect one probe to this LCD and this one LCD, and this probe is in wiring is connect to motor which runs and compress the air. So both the positive are single and negative are different. So what we do, we have to do connect our negative probe to this and this, both the terminal equally. You can see I have iron in my home at home. So I have connected this probe and this probe to my negative terminal and this probe to positive terminal. Now I will check how it will work. So I have checked and I was surprised that it is working very good. I checked my blood pressure and you can also try this. So I will check you. I will try to check you that I have connected my this terminal to this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now what we do? I am getting this. Okay. And you see my baby. I am very excited now because this machine is working. So you can see that what is my blood pressure. Now my power is on. The voltage is coming here. Now I turn on by this switch. You can see machine is working. If you have so many chargers, mobile chargers at your home, then you can try this method at zero cost. So if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel, as you can get such more useful videos like this. So please do subscribe my channel and like this video. You can see my anxiety level is so high, and as I am young, so this is showing that my blood pressure is 171 and 127, which is a bit high according to my age. It is normal. Okay, so time to get out. You can also check after dropping this quantity of blood pressure after dropping this cell and turn out this wiring. Okay, so I will attach any switch or something else or wiring from here. Okay, and just simply put out the plugs of the charger to this machine and use it. Okay, so I will switch it off. Thank you friends. तो भाई देखो, ये जो मैंने फिक्स कर दिया है वो रह गया था बताना. ये समय ये चार्जर था, इसका वाली नोब अंदर डालकर यहाँ पर मैंने सीधे डायरेक्ट इसमें प्लस माइनस कर दिया इसका कनेक्शन, और माइनस कनेक्ट कर दिया था मैंने. ओके, एंड in English I have connected both the negative similar, and this one positive to positive and negative both. Okay, and I connected this charger, and this is have USB type charger and USB port type, and this is port. Okay, Micromax. Okay, and now I am going to close this. And one thing more friends, do it on oven leaf, because this is not a good thing to do this hack, because I am Indian and I am Jugaadu. And most of the Indians are Jugaadu, so we can search any Jugaadu for any machine. And friends, I opened this machine because this machine warranty going time out. This machine is 3-year-old, so I have taken the risk to open this machine. But if your machine is in guarantee, I mean is in 3 years of purchase, then you do not open this. You must have purchased a original charger for this machine. So I take this risk for this machine because this is old and this is doing good. So I already checked this machine for you, and now I am closing this machine. And one more thing friends, I will put here some LV or stick gum which will stick this charger pin here. This will not move, because if it will move in a circular way, then the soldering wire will break, and there will be chance to connect both this wire to each other. Okay, so I just put some LV or stick gum here, or you can put any gum which will strong it here, and I will put it like this. Okay, and my cells are this here. I will do not use cell for now. Okay, so please like my channel and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Mm-hmm.
Naturally.
One 62, 73 and 41 pulse rate. 127 75 42 pulse rate similar, and this measurement is little bit different but accurate.